Hi guys, and welcome to Excited for Coupons. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a quick trip that I did actually Saturday night on the early activation. Some of the coupons are going to expire this Sunday or actually expire on the 31st. So quickly I'm going to share with you what I did, and it was all free. I did this deal in 2 different cards, so you don't need any coupons, so it's very easy for you to follow. At my store, they're both priced at $2.89. I did go to 2 different stores, so I paid $5.78, and with no coupons, that's how much you're going to pay out of pocket, but then you're going to get back a $5 ECB at the end of your receipt when you buy 2, and your total is going to be 78 cents or just 39 cents each. This deal I already submitted to Ibotta and I already got my credit back, so this is confirmed that you could actually do this. Just make sure that you do get the Suave Professional. So I did purchase 3 of them, the total for a special price $3 for $9. I used 3 coupons that does expire this Sunday, so I paid $6 out of pocket, but then I got 3 ECB at the end of my receipt. But then I submitted to Ibotta, which I got $3 back, making these 3 items totally free. If you're new or you're starting and you don't have this coupon, there is a printable coupon that's available. Also, you could actually select it from your CVS app to complete your 3 coupons in case you need some. The next item I got was the NEUTROGENA Cosmetics. I purchased 1 for the lip and 1 of the Perfector. The prices did vary, so my total came out to $19.48. I used 2 of the coupons that says you could use any 2 NEUTROGENA, but does expire this Saturday. And I also used a CVS coupon that I got that it deducts $4 when you spend $14 or more on cosmetics. So in the register I paid $11.48, but I got back 5 ECB when you buy 2 of the NEUTROGENA cosmetics. But I also submitted to Ibotta $4 for the face and $2.50 for the lip, making these 2 items totally free. Here's a quick preview of my 2 transactions. The first one's transaction number 1 for card number 1. That was getting the mask and the NEUTROGENA foundation and the lip. My total would have been $25.26 before coupons, but after the coupons were applied, the total came out to $17.26. I got 10 in ECB, but I also submitted to cash back for $2.50 and $25 for groceries, so my total came out to 51 cents. But I also had a 6 ECB beauty, so it came out to a money maker. For the second transaction was a Garnier mask as well and the Suave Hair. That total would have been $14.78, but after the coupons were applied, it was $11.78, and once I got the ECB back was $8 plus the 3 for the cash back, making this just 78 cents. So my total would have been $48.61. And out of pocket would have been $129, but since I did have that 6 beauty ECB, it came out to free and $4 money maker. So I hope this video was helpful, and you could see that a quick trip, it could easily add up to $40, but you could do it free just by using coupons and taking advantage of the deal. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, I invite you to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so, I invite you to check out and subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful Sunday.